Did you know one dragonfly eats hundreds of mosquitoes and garden pests every single day? Stay right here because I will show you exactly how to attract them starting today. It is a truly remarkable creature. Stay right here because I will show you precisely how to attract these magnificent hunters to your own garden, starting today. It is a simpler process than you might imagine. A few thoughtful changes can transform your space into a bustling hub for these wonderful insects. By inviting them in, you are not just adding beauty, you are welcoming a powerful, natural ally. This is a story of partnership, a small collaboration between you and the wild world. Dragonflies are ancient aviators, their lineage stretching back hundreds of millions of years. Their iridescent wings catch the sun in a dazzling display of color. They are bright and astonishingly fast. But beyond their beauty, they are also tremendous helpers in our gardens. Their diet consists almost entirely of other flying insects, many of which we consider pests: mosquitoes, gnats, flies, smaller moths. This makes your garden a healthier, more balanced ecosystem. You can invite them to patrol your plants and flowers with just a few easy, mindful steps. Imagine your garden humming with life. The gentle buzz of bees, the flutter of butterflies, the swift, silent patrol of the dragonfly. These creatures are indicators of a healthy environment. When they choose to visit, it is a sign that your garden is thriving. Attracting them is a rewarding endeavor. It connects you more deeply to the natural cycles playing out right outside your door. It is a simple way to contribute to local biodiversity. And the reward is a garden that feels more alive, more vibrant, and certainly more comfortable with fewer buzzing pests. Our journey begins with understanding what these creatures need to flourish. Like any living thing, they require three key elements: food, water, shelter. We can provide all of these with a few simple adjustments to our outdoor spaces. It is not about a complete garden overhaul. Rather, it is about making small, deliberate choices that create an inviting habitat. You will soon see how a stick placed just so, or a small basin of water, can become a vital resource for these incredible insects. Let us begin this wonderful project together. The first step in welcoming dragonflies is to give them the right plants. They are, after all, carnivores, and they need a reliable source of food. They do not eat the plants themselves. Instead, they hunt the smaller insects that are drawn to certain flowers and shrubs. So, to attract the hunter, you must first attract the hunted. This creates a wonderful, self-sustaining food web right in your garden. The more small flying insects you have, the more appealing your garden becomes as a hunting ground for dragonflies. It is a beautiful and efficient system of natural pest control. Think of your garden as a layered ecosystem. Dragonflies appreciate places with tall plants, especially near water. Consider planting native reeds and rushes along the edge of a pond or water feature. Cattails. Water iris. Plants like cattails and water iris provide excellent perches and cover. Then add some native wildflowers to draw in the smaller insects. Dragonflies are not picky about their prey, so a variety of small bugs is ideal. Milkweed. Black-eyed Susans, coneflowers, goldenrod. These plants act like a beacon, bringing in the tiny flying meals that dragonflies absolutely relish. Beyond flowers, you must also provide places for the dragonflies to rest and observe their territory. A simple stick, a sturdy reed, a tall, unpruned stem. You will often see them resting, turning their heads, and then darting off in a flash to catch an unsuspecting gnat. The second, and perhaps most crucial element for attracting dragonflies is water. It is absolutely essential for their life cycle. Dragonflies lay their eggs in or near water. Their young, known as nymphs, are fully aquatic. You do not need a vast, elaborate pond to provide for them. Even a small water garden in a half barrel, or a simple watertight tub can become a thriving nursery. The key is that the water should be still or very slow moving. This provides the calm, stable environment that the nymphs need to grow and develop. To make your water feature even more inviting, add plants that grow in the water. Submerged plants like hornwort provide oxygen, water lilies, pickerel weed. These plants also provide surfaces for the nymphs to climb out of the water when they are ready for their final transformation into adults. The journey from aquatic nymph to winged dragonfly is a magical one. By providing the right aquatic plants, you are helping to shelter them during this vulnerable and crucial stage of their lives. It is important to remember that dragonfly nymphs are themselves voracious predators, feasting on mosquito larvae and other small aquatic organisms. However, they are also prey. To protect the next generation of dragonflies, you must be careful about what else lives in your water feature. Many common pondfish, goldfish, koi, guppies will happily eat dragonfly nymphs. Third, to truly make your garden a sanctuary, you must be mindful of the things that can harm dragonflies or drive them away. The most significant threat in a typical garden is the overuse of chemical pesticides and herbicides. Many broad-spectrum insect sprays are indiscriminate. They kill beneficial insects as readily as pests. This robs dragonflies of their food and can harm them directly on contact. Embrace organic pest control. A sterile, overly manicured garden is uninviting. A vast, perfect lawn with no other plants offers little for dragonflies. Few insects to hunt. Nowhere to perch or shelter. Dragonflies thrive in diversity. They need complex structure from flowers, grasses, shrubs. Don't tidy everything up. Resist removing dead wood or cutting back old perennial stems in autumn. Dried stalks and branches make perfect perches, places to rest and survey hunting grounds. Now, let us bring all these elements together. Dragonflies are solar-powered hunters. They need sunny spots. Give them an open area to fly and hunt. But they also need shelter from strong winds. Plant a hedge or taller shrubs on the windward side to create a calm microclimate. These tranquil pockets are where you will see them darting and weaving. Provide a variety of perches around your water feature and throughout the garden. Use bamboo stakes. Use dried sunflower stalks. Use interestingly shaped branches. Place perches at different heights. Whenever possible, choose native plants. Native plants form the foundation of a healthy local ecosystem. They provide the food and shelter local insects need. That creates a reliable food source for dragonflies who patrol your garden. Quick steps you can do today. Place a small container of water, like a bucket or large bowl, in a sunny spot. Add rocks so they break the water surface. Add a floating aquatic plant like water hyacinth. Plant native flowers such as coneflower or bee balm in a nearby pot. Push long, sturdy sticks into the ground near the water to act as perches. Commit to not using broad-spectrum insect sprays in that area. These small actions can have a surprisingly quick impact. Soon you will see aerial acrobats hunting in the afternoon sun. You will spot one resting on a reed, waiting for its next meal. Over time, your garden will feel livelier and more balanced.